Now students, our next question number 7. Atomic number of an element X is 20. Element X, atomic number is given 20. Write its valency. First part of the question is write its valency. So, element X, what is atomic number? 20. You will do the electronic configuration first. Of element X. And what is element X? Atomic number 20. 20 means, atomic number 20 means atomic number is equal to number of protons and number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So how many electrons? 20. Distribute these 20 electrons in different shells. 2, 8, 8, 2. K, L, M, N. This is the electronic configuration of the element with atomic number 20. Now, your first part of the question is valency. What is valency of element X? So, for that you will see how many electrons in the outermost shell? 2. Now, what the element will do to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas? Means 8 electrons in the outermost shell. It will lose its 2 electrons. So, what is its valency? 2. Okay, so what is valency? The number of electrons an atom gain or lose or share to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. As it has 2 electrons in the outermost shell, it will lose 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. So, valency is 2. So, valency of element X is 2 because it will lose 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of its nearest noble gas. Okay. Next, because reason also writing, because the question is justify your answer in each case. In each case you have to give reason also. So if you write only valency is 2, you will get half marks. Half marks will be deducted. So you read the question carefully. Okay. Next, second part, whether it is a metal or non-metal. So students, what are metals? Metals lose electron and form positive ion. Non-metals gain electron and form negative ion. For that again you will see the electron in the outermost shell. 2. What it will do? To attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, it will lose its 2 electron and form positive ion. So as it loses its electron and form positive ion, so this element is metal. So second part, whether it is a metal or non-metal. Element X is a metal. Then the question is justify. Reason you have to give. Because it loses electron and form positive ion. Next, third part of your question. And one thing students, if the element has 1, 2 or 3 electron in its outermost shell, what it will do? It will lose that electron to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. And those elements will be metal. 1, 2, 3 electrons in their outermost shell. And if it has 5, 6, 7 electrons, 5, 6, 7 electrons, what it will do? It will gain electron to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. Okay, so those will be non-metals because they gain electron and form negative ion. So metals normally outermost how many electrons they will have? 1, 2 or 3. Non-metals outermost how many electrons? 5, 6, 7. And if 4 in the outermost shell, it will neither lose nor gain. It will share its 4 electron. Okay. Next, third part of your question, the formula of compound formed when element X reacts with element Y of atomic number 8. When element X reacts with element Y and element Y atomic number is given, element X atomic number already given earlier, 20. So X and Y, when they combine, you have to frame the formula of the compound. Okay. And you have the atomic number of both the elements. So to frame the formula, what you should know? Valency. Element X, you know the valency. What is valency of element X? 2. So for your third part, to frame the formula, you should know the valency of the elements which are going to combine. So element X, X20, so 2882, electronic configuration, and Y atomic number 8, so 26. So what is valency? Outermost 2, so it will lose 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. So valency is 2 for X, and for Y outermost how many electrons? 6. It will gain 2 electrons to attain the electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. So how many electron it is gaining? 2. So what is valency of Y? 2. Okay. Now you have to frame the formula when X and Y combine. So formula of the compound formed when element X reacts with element Y. So X, Y, write the valency 2, 2. If you can bring to simplest ratio, bring. If it is divisible by common factor, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, then cross multiply, then 1 you don't write. So what is formula of the compound? XY. So which element is X? Atomic number 20, calcium, and atomic number 8, oxygen. So this is calcium oxide, CaO. But you will not write CaO because in the question X and Y element is named as X and Y. So in terms of X and Y you will give the formula. So which the formula of the compound is XY. Okay.